Hey everybody, Julia strength is back. You see we got the Z here. We got the 944 looking absolutely clean today. But yeah, we have the Z up because we have some work to do. Let's get started. Here's the fresh 944. Sheesh, cleaned up the wheels. This thing looks good right now. It's got the NRGs. Stripped inside. Things going good. We're just dealing with a couple of issues. Well, just one main one, which is the strainer. It's a little clogged up. Once we do that, this thing's gonna be ripping. I mean, it's already ripping, so. But yeah, we got the Z here. Big Z day. We are gonna do the differential bushing, you guys. Big hype. Because right now, if you check this out, this thing is old and crusty. I mean, it's pretty hard to see from here, but I can literally pull parts of the bushing off. That's how disintegrated it is. So this is gonna be a pretty sick upgrade. And in the past, when you're trying to shift hard, this thing will clunk. So, man, I can't wait. Instead of going with the OEM one, which is gonna wear out again, they are available, but I went ahead and went aftermarket. This is from Apex Engineered. Poly bushing. So yeah, show you how to get that in there. Crazy hair, classic Z shit going on under here. All right, guys, we got some crazy shit going on. Check. It's always something when you get into it. And right now, this center bolt is held on by a top bolt, which is held on by hidden bolts. You can kind of see them up there. I'll show you the plate, but anyways, we're gonna have to lower the tank. So I'm lubing these up with some PV Blaster right now. Freaking gnarly, but once it's done, this is gonna be super, super sick. So, of course, it's not that easy to do. Stay tuned. Piece on top that holds it in. So there's two hidden bolts that are still hiding that we gotta undo. And the tank is in the way, so we're gonna kind of drop the front of the tank down with the bolts that are holding it up. So wish us luck. But for now, we're going to Cane's. Woo! Got the wheels cleaned up, looking good. And it's looking good in here with the dash cover, phones mounted up, floor mats, seats.
Deleted the rear.
Clean strip in the rear with a little dash mat or trunk mat. Let's go.
Get up behind Shelby.
Okay, everybody, it's been quite the night. This is the second round here, continuing on. We've finally got a part of the mount out, the stud that the diff bushing connects to, and this is the old diff bushing. Holy crap, that thing is beat. And when I said she clunked, now you know why. I mean, this is disintegrated. It's gone. I've had the car for like 5 years too, but you know, hasn't exactly been race ready the whole time, and I haven't been racing it the whole time. So we are good. We're just doing a little more cleaning down here. Pumpkin never looked so good. Yeah, it was gnarly. We did get those bolts off for that top bracket that was causing us issues. You're definitely gonna want 2 people because you have to drop the tank down a little, so that it's a lottle. Yeah, we had to go all the way off and support it, and then push that bracket out, that 2-bolt post bracket this way, which allowed that top one to come out I showed you, and then the bushing can come off of those 2 posts right there on the diff. So you saw the old one. Here's the new one.
Let's get a mock-up.
Once we're cleaned up. I can't decide if I'm going to do it that way or if I'm going to flip it.
What does it matter?
I got to think about it. Well, one side's a little deeper. Oof. Brutal realizations coming into contact right now. But this may not even flip it.
Oof, gross.
We're gonna have to drill that out, aren't we?
Yeah.
Good old Apex Engineering.
Thankfully, I have this. I don't know if I have one that big.
I wonder if it's just because the coating, or is it like that much bigger?
No, it's actually like, yeah, it needs one more size.
All right, we'll let you guys...
It could be due to the clunkage. Maybe Ed has bent one of these to the right ever so slightly.
We're gonna see what's up, you guys. We'll be back. Okay, right now we're trying to figure out how to get one side a little bit bigger. I dogged out Apex Engineered a little early, you guys. The spacing on my diff might just be a little more than this. So he said it's close, came in here, you know, trying to find something so we could get this done. So we'll see what's up. We were just under there, you guys. Size this thing up like you wouldn't believe. I think one of my pillars on my diff has bent a little from the bushing being blown out all its life. So we're just gonna drill them out a little bit bigger, or just one side where we need to. So we're gonna go to Home Depot, get a drill bit.
Oh, so close. I'm gonna have to give it some little love tap. Oh, you know what? No, I'm not actually going to give it love tap, because whenever we go to put the bolts on,
It'll push it in.
it's going to push it in.
Yeah.
Exactly where it's supposed to be.
Okay, everybody, we got that diff mount installed. That was insane. It's almost 12 o'clock at night. What time did I start on this at? 4 o'clock?
Yeah, 4 o'clock.
It's in.
What's in there?
Oh, it's in. Looks good too. Cleaned off my pumpkin. Can't wait to drive it. We got the water. Hydration is key. Sheesh. The Classics is looking good tonight.